Uyangijwayela.
Manje ngokuthi umenze young kusho ukuthi machine you
Lucky.
Nami sanibona siswami.
Siwazi.
Shosho my brother. Sorry sanibona mfethu. Sure. I mean no igama lami nguJinja mfethu yabo. Angihamba nabangani bami labangigadile.
Baba muzi lona. Lengane.
Ukuthi ama camera bangawathathi. So mina into engenza ngambe ngibuza abantu ama questions I'm a vlogger. Ngambe ngibuza abantu ama questions ukuthi bayathandana yini yilokho nje kuphela so wena Prazo ngabe nethandana no my sister
uyabona now
showcase so Prazo mina into engenza the reason why ngambe ngibuza ama questions it's because kunabantu abafuna ukungena kuma relationships but abazi ukuthi kuma relationships izinto ihamba kanjani so I would like to ask you guys few questions so that abantu bazokwazi singamela nje la ningashiswa ilanga
so basically it's a TV show
no it's a vlog ilezinto ezincane nje for YouTube yes nivele nisho amalokhuza nama advices amnandi to ama lovers and so forth but I have just few questions and then message hayi khuleka bagade mina abantu sebeyangithanda kakhulu
is it
yes yeah hayi ivlog nje yeah all right ubani igama phutwami
Bongani
bongs salute to bongs kukuphi emakhaya
bongs
emakhaya not like Goli
well I can say abo mkhulu bam from
Emnambit
but way back
big up to Emnambit
before we even get into a lot mina ithi Ntombazane ngithitha enqanji indlela agqoke ngayo but we'll see
way back ngiphethe umabonga bafethu se represent iJoburg umama zobani kana ubusi awubusajabula gaga ama camera shoes amabus so buso wena kukuphi emakhaya
Joburg too.
Oh, was it?
But when way back, my mom vendor, dad.
Which side of vendor?
Toyando.
Yeah. Big up to Toyando. You know your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream buffet. When I'm in Toyando, you know who you calling me with. Barakim Kondereni, King Ginger. When I say King's buffet, I pin the city pick up in roots. So, Siswam, I want to know from you, what is it that you love about my brother?
Well, my guy here is very shy.
Yeah.
Of which keeping him really away from girls, so I'm safe.
Yeah.
And then another thing,
funny. Oh, nice.
Yeah. And a little cute teddy bear.
Mantombazane.
Kipona
mapeti. Nipala manotsi. Uthi unjani? Take it back. Oh mamazi.
Phela ngensizwa umZulu mina. Obucute abukho ensizwa nomZulu inkomo zayo.
Oh inkomo zayo. When what is it that you love about my sister?
Yazi my brother her level of intellect.
Yeah.
Now uyambona uyahleka well peace more than anything else
you
understand
peace
I laugh I just I'm happy when I'm with her
we know you smashing her we know
I'm able to be myself bona ngithanda ama jokes and she laughs at my crazy jokes
uyabona they're not that crazy fam
kuzothini mfowethu amahlaya
they're not that crazy
amahlaya wami and like we are enjoying basically I can say
plus uyambona uthanda ukundakaza lo
and ungenza ngifeel young
I feel young wena hayi yena vele uyambona energy isagalola vibrant
uyangipha lo energy
so I want to know from you siswami ingabe my brothers uyakusatisfy yini ngeshizo
the way she looked to the side mbukeni
my brothers uyakusatisfy yini ngeshizo
take it to my sister
why so private
it's free okay
so is it part of the
okay, let's cancel it. Scratch. All right, Siswam. But I'm happy for you. I'm happy for Ugutsinet. So I want to know from you, Siswam. In a scale of 100, my brother Mtsembanga. Sorry.
Oh, no, that's when I told you that he's shy, right?
Yeah.
Possibilities and chances of him near girls. Zilch minus.
Kwababa.
100. 150. Go on.
Raya still.
Do you trust yourself?
Yes.
In a scale of 100?
100.
Shaky, my sister.
Take 200 for the both of us.
Jaya, do you trust her?
Yeah.
In a scale of 100?
My brother.
No, look, as it's easy to say I trust. You understand? But because we're in a relationship, I don't see any reason, to be quite honest, to say I don't trust her. Yeah, I understand. But we are human beings. Yeah, so yeah, but so far there's no reason for me to say I don't trust. There's no reason.
In a scale of
So what he just told us is that uyafuna ukungamtrust but asikho isizathu sokuthi angamtrust okwamanje.
I think mopo 100.
okay, do you trust yourself?
I think mopo 100. Yeah, cool, my brother.
In a scale of 100?
You know what? I know I am supposed to say 100 for the sake of numbers, but 200. Ngiyazithemba kakhulu.
Yazi bhuti wami nami ngiyakuthemba yabo, but wenza ukuthi ngingakuthembi bongani. Yazi why wenza ukuthi ngingakuthembi? A simple question of 100 or this much.
Yeah.
You tracking?
Well, I'm saying that because I'm past indaba zokuthi mhlambe ngiyajola jola. Yeah, that's what I'm saying basically.
You passed.
Yeah, like ngayidlula kakhulu lo face.
No power to that. You know what I want to hear. I can see ukuthi both of you love each other. Yazi ngicelani mfethu. Ngicela ukuthi umtshele umuntu wakho ukuthi uyamthanda.
Sithando sami.
Baby.
Hlale ngitshela. Mhlambe uzozwa kahle manje because we're in front of the camera. But ngiyakuthanda. Yes.
Muphi yakhe proper.
You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug.
Whoa, phela bafo. Whoa. Awu. Nina. Teddy pen. So kunento esenzayo lana mfethu ekuthiwa i-loyalty test. I-loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena bhuti wami njengoba uthi uyamtrusta my sister and uthandana naye kuphela usuwadlula kulezi zinto zemjolo nani. Uzomnika ifoni yakho ukuthi angene ku-WhatsApp a-check nje ukuthi wena ufletha nabo bani on WhatsApp.
Uyacheat my sister. Mbukeni uyacheat my sister.
Ukuthi wena ufletha nabo bani on WhatsApp ngaphandle kwakhe. Same applies to you sis wami. Sishishane ngamafoni my brother njengoba uthi nawe umthanda njengoba uyithanda. Angithi akekho omunye umuntu ojola naye ujola naye kuphela.
Yeah, but do we have to switch our phone?
No.
Stop taking meeting notes.
My brother, I can't even say my brother. No, your baba is too old to be
It allows you to
cheating.
focus on your meetings, not your
Dala,
notes.
bro.
It captures
Like,
everything.
what's he trying to do, though?
Kanti why wena uthuka?
Angithukanga but like all of a sudden like why?
Cha, angithi uthe uyamthemba.
Mara kokuqala bedroom issues usibuza ngokuthi uyangisisa.
No, mamazi angithi mamazi. No, uyakhumbula ukuthi mina ngithe ngiyiscratcha ke leyo question.
Scratch le.
Ngiscratcha na. Sister indaba wakrampi.
No, cause
Cheating.
Privacy.
Yini privacy? Yini private?
Ukuthi akangena into zami.
Yazi into
Yeah, but I mean,
Conversation.
yazi into
yeah, but I mean, I don't see anything wrong because we trust each other
Mara savumelana mosende besithu
and we love each other.
So,
sister,
mina angiboni ukuthi it can be a
transman.
Cheating,
And
fam.
enye into engixakayo ukuthi
That's
usisamate
causing
phone private,
Yeah, but
but you
it's
guys
not
are
wrong.
able to touch each other's private parts, but you can't touch amalokuza namafoni. Hayi bo
with
kahle
consent.
bafethu.
With consent.
Cha iqiniso. No, it's a fact. Ungayibuki.
Yeah, I
Yes,
do understand.
exactly.
Mara with
Thank you.
consent. With consent we spoke about it, ne?
Why are you being grumpy?
I'm not, but when
Uyalwa,
think it's
asekho
very
grumpy.
Why ufuna ngene efonini yami?
Because uthe uyamthemba and uyamthanda.
Ngiyamthemba.
Kanti uyamchithela yini?
Ngiyamthanda. Yes, baby, ngiyamthemba.
Awuthi take
Umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngiyamthemba.
awube in charge ku relationship yakho futhi ngeke phela ngathi usuzwa
No,
my sister.
no,
Kanti
that's not
ubani?
the case.
Yeah.
No,
Toxic.
no, she has a strong character
Exactly.
than me. But Mina, what I can say, Mina, to be honest, I don't see anything wrong. You understand? Unless you've got something that you are hiding.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
And
sister.
We are, no, she
Yeah,
gets-
hambi blesser.
we are in a relationship.
Kanti yini?
Ngani? Ngani kanti wena ufunani efonini yami?
Lalela, we are in Mina na iPhone yami.
Yeah.
Lo uthunyelwe baby.
Uthunyelwe
Why
ubani?
yena insista kanga wena wa insista efonini
Kanti
yami?
wena why wena ube defensive ngoba wena
Uthunyelwe
utholi?
ubani because they just caught out of guard.
Baby, I have a lot of enemies, ne? For
Yeah.
one, and those are girls and mostly guys. So I never know ukuthi maybe
Uyakugaslighter
bamthumele.
mina.
Bilona.
Yeah,
No,
gaslighter,
we don't have a problem,
yeah,
my
man.
brother. Ne?
Manipulation.
We don't have a problem. Why not?
Okay, I'll check it out.
Unless there's
Yebo,
something,
soqala
there's
ngeyakhe
something
ke,
that
ne?
you are hiding.
Letha ne yakho
There's
phela.
No, it's
nothing.
fine.
Mara
Okay,
baby,
Tat.
mina now is
Okay, keep your
Let's-
phone. Keep your phone. No, keep your phone.
Keep her.
okay. Wawungekho siqale le relationship
Kwatile.
Yeah,
for
but we don't
local
have-
time yini?
Yeah, but we don't have to be like that. Lalela already we
Usiyasiqabanisa.
Nani?
Mfethu sesiyalo nje
Yini
already.
esiqabanisayo?
Raise
Iphone.
ama voice.
Qabanisa iphone. Keep your phone la iphone
Ah nawe ke
nginikeze.
fakazile gabuza mfazi kamqondo.
Ha. Ubaba lo, ubabakho. He could be your father. Respect him. Ha.
Qabanisa iphone. Keep your phone la iphone
Ah nawe ke
nginikeze.
fakazile gabuza mfazi kamqondo.
Okay, no, come on.
Yokutshela nengane
Don't
it's
talk to me like
crazy.
that.
You want me to disrespect
No.
you? Actually, he's
What
making me
I'm trying to say,
disrespect
Mina, what
you.
I'm trying to say to you, ukuthi, if you've got nothing to hide, why ungisaba umunezi phone?
Mara still yamba ukuthi uyenza
Lalela,
ukuthi
you can
ngikudelele.
also look at my phone.
Uyamba
Ah,
ukuthi
eh.
uyenza ukuthi
Ah, eh.
ngikudelele.
Akangenzi
Uyamba
ngikudelele. Aka-
uthunyelwe kujelile.
Why wena udelela?
And
Why
wena
udelela wena?
Wena
Why udelela? Why udelela? Imina ngikwenza ukuthi udelela njengoba udelela wena uyadelela wena.
Why ulidelela?
Uyabona ukuthi uyaqhubeka uyadelela.
mina wena ungenza ngidelele nje angisho ngiyasho angidelele.
Amantombazane never take accountability, boy. I'm telling you. They
Uright
never, boy.
ungadeleli lana kodwa uthema uvulele umlomo wakho wadelela.
Ngathi awusangiboni.
Become.
Awusangiboni
Become.
specs.
Become.
Ba prescribe wrong. Ngathi awusangiboni.
Become,
When?
please.
Another
Okay.
distract.
Ayi yenza
Okay ngiyayenza. Ngongena lapha nendawo khona ngizokwazi ukudila na ngidile naye.
Come inside, Ginger.
Yeah.
usafuna ukumecelana kwami futhi.
Ah,
Ukuthi usunyela.
Aye.
Awuthami ungawari soqala ngefoni
No, it's
yakho.
fine, it's
Sure.
fine, it's fine.
Oh let's funa ngicela ungivulele.
And I don't have a problem.
Yes, I trust you
Yeah, I
mina
don't
my
have a
brother.
problem.
Have you
I
ever had a problem with anything? Because you can have a problem now.
Oh.
awuthami ungawari.
He's living
Wena
life
namhlanje
nicely.
khona
He's cruising nicely. Yeah.
problem ngicela ungibambela la sesiwami ngezandla zowu2 na how was
You're cheating my sister. Overly
Uzivale
cheating.
the phone now WhatsApp now
By technically a phone.
now imali akusearch all right cela umanjalo all right guys we are on WhatsApp right now
Everybody
we're
type
about
the
to type the
Shandies.
Shandies
Washa.
type la put I love you wena putwa njengoba nje ukuthuthi
This is unnecessary.
type uthi I love you wena awuthami njengoba ethi lo sisi uthe dipe manje amanye amantombazane awayizeli kuwena mfethu njengoba nje u great guy onje
My brother,
Yeah.
I've just told you, good Mina, I've already passed that stage. And
makuvela wena ungitshele makuvela igama lentombazane ongayi-forestani ungitshele futhi so kwamanje kuvela wena ngithi uyabo
Yimi uma wakhe usaki yabhora the phone.
phuma-ke lapho type uthi I miss you ufake ne-heart wena awuthama ukwazi nje udidiseke mhlampe-ke uyitshontshe
My brother, no.
It's too old for
I'm
that.
not there.
It's too
Yeah.
old.
good
I'm not there.
stereo uyayibonela nawe phuma-ke la cha into ungangifundeli umsangani mina ngifuna yabo la phezulu
Angisho ngifuna ukubuka naphansi phela.
oh okay type
Nenkani
lapho
my
uthi
sister.
sex manje unokuyicela
Nkosi yami wena uyifuna ngazo indaba ufuna mina or umuntu wami.
cha
Ufuna ukudunuselwa uba. Yimi or umuntu wami indaba lokulandelela isex.
Please, ungabi vulgar, please.
It's fine.
abo fano uthi ngiyibambe
Ungabi vulgar, please.
unokuyicela sex kuwena mhlawumbe nithaphelani
It's me baby.
Yo.
angishayami ayichanya qoqodana ke bras hayi okay phuma la pum
Hayi ke.
type uthi come outside sibone ukuthi obani abamkhiphayo
Come inside.
Ha.
Hayi, come
Ha,
outside.
ha. Ungcolile. Ungcolile, bro.
abamkhiphayo
Come inside.
hayi come outside
Okay.
because suke kumfana ozolanda noma intombazane oh come inside come inside
Okay.
hayibo
Oh ngicela kayiphi inside or out?
ngicela ezoveza ama results sister
Yamjabulisa
Ngicela
lo, come
ungisize.
inside.
futhi uze ngapha mawuqeda
Awusuka nini muvusi?
Inside.
Kanini?
Yimina.
Futhi ready kumfaka iuku.
hayi nesitera ungafuni ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto zokuququdana kodwa into eyivela la ibolile nizenza nerazo but what phuma la phuma
ngafuni ukuthi nize la.
phuma la buthani I'm pregnant
Yo.
yeah you'll never know
But oh, he's too old,
I
dog.
don't have a problem. I mean,
He's too old to
Yeah,
impregnate women,
yeah.
dog. Hi,
Wait,
kid.
you don't have a
we are
problem, it's
partners.
fine.
Lalela,
As in,
we are partners.
okay.
yeah
He's shooting blanks, baba.
Akekho.
Yeah, baby,
Okay.
me, I'm baby girl.
okay baby girl ke ibambe kanjalo una Facebook brother
Yes, I do.
Okay.
ngena Facebook ngene ku messenger lapha nithatha uthi I love you mayithi no results ungitshele mike vela nje amakhanda ungitshele futhi amantombazana ongafrostani yasheleka phela nakulo khuzana na ku Facebook
Ngizwe ngathi ku busy ku Facebook. Comment down below.
Shela sichethe ku Facebook.
Una Instagram.
I do, but I'm not active. Not active like before, but I do.
Uyala kuma-dialed. Uyala kuma-dialed ubheke ukuthi ubani ufonelwe kaningi.
Ayisilingo shemfana. Kodwa uyangisiza sisi.
Hamba bhuti wami. Uzwa kanjani kodwa ukubona ukuthi uma ibrad
Fast kanje styling.
awubonile nje ukuthi inamba yakho laphana. Wena manje usufuna silokhu sibonga
Wena yakho ke my sister. Wena yakho ke my sister.
Uyabona mangithi she makes me young. Uyabona ke.
How do you feel kodwa siswami?
What if she makes other men young as well?
Bekuwe so.
Awuvule. Ha ifona yakhe pinki. Ikhepi yakhe pinki. Oh purple.
Purple, pink, ayiqaleke. Purple, pink, azi.
Ifoni yakhe purple sabu pinki.
Yeah.
Ikhepi sili pinki.
Yes.
Awuthi ka ubrown pink nazo. Hey.
Hey! Behave yourself.
Sayisa ngempambo siyokwenza
Hayibo.
kwenza.
Esikhaleni.
Kube namaphaca pink.
She's cheating dog.
Hayi brother.
She's cheating.
Fanele ukwenza yangi ngempela lo. Iyangi ijangile vula la.
Azonginyanyisa.
Hawu.
Uvumile
Survive kamnandi kanje.
Abanivula babe.
Yini wantwana wenze kanje kanti?
Kodwa baby wena ovumile mina zange asuvume. Hawu.
Vula man, we still have.
Inkinga uthi nawe uyenza ngathi mina ngithe vula. Hawu. Hayi mana.
Vula.
Hayi ngixeke. Hawu ngixeke nje.
Vula ifoni singene. Want to come inside? Need you love that boy?
Ngiyelungisisa ifoni izolo. Mhlambe lo yalo umuntu lo yana. Ufake ipin wrong. Kodwa bekutshela.
Cela uvule le phone. Why? How?
We were not born yesterday.
Ngicela ivule. Vula. Vula.
Yini khonto esabayo?
Uzobona ipin yami.
Okay, vula ifone.
Ungayibambi ngathi manje uyenza bo summarize sensei la.
No, vula
Dragon
ifone.
Ball Z. Nazo.
How? Okay. Ngicela ume la futhi ngiyabonga mfethu. Awuthemba.
Hawu.
Awuthemba. Sesingicela
Vusimbambe vusi.
Now WhatsApp. Ngicela ume la. All right. We are on WhatsApp right now when we are about to tap the trend. Tap and put I love you. Yeah, when I stay back Shelly when I find. In.
Unamanga. She crazy to a great man.
Uthini
Uyambona nawe.
Okay, bayangishela.
Makuvela igama lakho
Ubani
nje.
uSenzo?
Nazo ke.
Senzo.
Ram ngicela ungene kuyo Senzo. Ram I yabona usenze yabona uthi I love you. Naye uthi I love you more.
Hayibona.
Ama heart.
Ngicela ungene la kwi-media. Ubonile wena uthi straight ngena la kwi-media sibheke ithombe.
Yo.
Thanda ukuqimba lo angithi umbonile.
Yeah, uyathanda uqimba yo.
Mina mara ngithanda abantu, you know that I'm bubbly.
Okay, ube
And I'm a
ube ngqondo yini le?
Ububhabli lo.
Ububhabli lo.
Ububhabli.
no.
Umvezela ibele. Yazi ukhohlakele.
Modeling agency. 2023 manje it's modeling agency.
Lalela i-modeling agency le.
Ecela ibele.
Hayibo siyamodela kantona uboni.
Akubambe so ikamereni yini lento le?
Hawu mara siyamodela ngisho ye-acting.
Modelele lo mfana wena.
Yase-actor yisine yini nesitoleze sabo.
Somkathi uqamba manga phela.
Sexual content.
Kahle wenze kanjani?
No, it's sexual content baby yini.
Sexual content yani. Akuyona.
No.
Uthi
Ha. Bekathi uyamsula.
sexual content yani.
Bekathi uyamsula.
Sex wakhe mhlawumbe akaboni.
Okay,
Wena uyayisa wena.
yini lento le?
Yini le?
Yini lento le?
Yini le? Sexual content nale.
Uyangijwayela kahle.
Angiye.
Hawu wena kanti unjani wena?
Amaka Lisayo yini?
Ubufebe ba-
Letha. Lethi phone yami.
Ngilethi phone yakho wena. Awuthembi ehlisa umoya.
Imanzi silima kahle kahle wena.
Why when the resist?
Umusa ngathi uzovela mcabuze dog. Buka la. Athi uzovela mcabuze umusa.
Imanzi silima kahle kahle wena.
Why when the resist?
Slima yezo. Ubhala izinto efonini yami.
Woza ngapho wena brother. Woza ngapho.
Ungijwayela ka?
Woza ngapho
No,
brother.
it's not that. Baby ngiyakutshela.
Uyangijwayela we.
Baby, I make you young.
Uyangijwayela.
Manje ngokuthi umenze yangi kusho
I
ukuthi
make you young ne live.
Uyangijwayela kamampela we.
except manje
ngalo.
okay manje mayikwenza young and vibrant kusho ukuthi wena uhamba udlisa nosenza ikhekhe.
Hey.
Usenza kahle icela lami mfethu.
Nazi ithombe.
sisebenza naye isithombe kwakuyini futhi mengashuthwa nawe manje
And that's in the
angazongijwayela
You're not even showing any remote.
Nasi isithombe.
No, baby, no. Ish, listen, I'm not fighting you. I'm fighting this guy.
Why are you fighting me?
You're manipulating the
Yo.
situation.
I'm not
She's manipulating the situation.
I'm not manipulating the situation. You You win. You win. Yabona kube bengintombazana wena ngoba uyageqa wena.
Yey. Ha! Yaphaka mosunyo.
Yabona kube yabona
Hey madoda. Uvela wazi karate nje sikhaleni.
yeah.
Washa.
Ha!
Ujinje ulwa nomoya kodwa wenze njani yena?
Uzoqoshela ubale icathulo zakho. Hawu.
Wena. Kanti benka.
Hey, there's a lot going on, guys. Anyways, isikole sikhuphukile lapha ekhoneni. Amantombazane is cheating. The girls might just be the biggest cheaters in South Africa. But we're gonna find out. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Subscribe and stay tuned. Sponsor one of Feba Cool South Africa. Ifebe zakhula. Hey, Musa. Omvale lapho.
Back to yena yani.
We're interested in that.
My love.
Awuthembi.
Ufebela nalezi zinto lezi.
Awuthembi sazoqhubeka wena nalo njengoba umbone lo ukuthi ukufebela nesenzo.
Hayi yakujwayela.
Lo.
Baby.
Usazoqhubeka nithanda nalo.
Angijwayela kabi.
Not me, Mina.
It's not you yani.
Mina.
Awuthembi. Ngihlonipha kanje.
Amadoda ube nqunu. Ukhumbula
Yeah.
amadoda ube nqunu.
Yeah. Baby,
it's
what?
A sex scene. He's sex scene. Hi, Bo. Awuyazi fatal seduction. Awuyazi fatal seduction.
Uyithatha
Don't you know?
uyithatha
Never.
first
I love you. I love you ku WhatsApp. Go I love you ku WhatsApp.
What do you know about first sight detection?
Qala ubona I love you ngami.
I love you baby.
Uqala ukumbona ngamina.
Mshiye bhuti wami.
Uqala ukubona
Lalela ukutshele, lalela ukutshele.
Awuthembi sazoqhubeka uthanda nalo nje umbona ukuthi akugolozela. Wena isa wena. Yabo kube ngiyintombazane. Ngabe sihlaba ngeimpama mina.
There's no need. There's no need.
Wena.
Ikuthi ngumfana.
Like, I can't even take this drama anymore.
Yeah, you can't.
Uzoba nje istroke dog. You're too old for it.
Drama anymore.
Uyahlanya ukwenzeni? Ukwenzeni?
Uyamba. Mnyaka.
Ungayithathi ifoni yakhe. Kumele simnike mfethu.
Letha leyo phone.
Hello? Kabani.
Wena ngizokushaya ngelinye ilanga. Ukube ngiyintombazane, ngiqaqa ngeimpama.
Yo.
Waza ngizokutshengisa ukuthi mina ngilenga la wena.
Shaya wena.
Waza ngizokutshengisa.
Shaya wena. Angijwayeli kabi mina. Hawu.
Baby.
Hayi, yekela kumjaha man. Imali ihambile.
Phuma kuyo my brother.
Ihambile bro.
My
Ungena.
brother, sazoqhubeka uthanda nalo njengombona
never.
lo ukuthi ukujwayela kabi.
Baby.
Efethu uvuma ukwaliwa mnika ifoni yakhe manje. Take nawe.
Hayi phuma kimi baby yan.
Baby.
Hayi baby yan wena.
To take. Akasahambi nawe. Back.
Hey bo.
Look.
Lucky.
Nami yanginyanyisa.
Madimona nkwatile ke manje. There's a lot going on now.
Nami
There's a lot going on now, bro.
Nami yanginyanyisa.
Makhala kwakhe asinandaba thina. It's too manipulative.
Nami
Sikazi ukukhona leyo nto.
Yanginyanyisa. Hawu. Nami yanginyanyisa. Akuyena umuntu wakho. Usenzo umuntu wakho lokudlayo. My brother. Bye. Yeah. It's about that time. It's going crazy.
It's going bananas, rain the cuts. About showing guys like say it's kupukile. The girls are fabbing in South Africa. Maybe the boys are gonna be the biggest fabbers. Stay tuned, subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace out. Pa! Ya feba longa ponje.